The AI economy is moving faster than any textbook can track. We have moved from typing simple questions into a chat box to building full workflows that generate code, video, and data analysis in seconds. The prompt engineer job everyone was chasing a few years ago, it died the moment the market matured. Now, your success depends on where you fit into a spectrum of specialized archetypes, ranging from high-volume platform arbitrage to complex enterprise architecture. And that is exactly why so many people are stuck. You are looking at a list of 11 different AI business models, from faceless YouTube channels to building custom software, and the sheer number of options is causing complete analysis paralysis. The truth is, there is no single best path. The only strategy that works is finding the specific model that perfectly matches your current bank balance and your existing technical skills. If you copy a millionaire's enterprise strategy when you have zero coding experience and $100 to your name, you will burn through your cash and quit within a month. Before you spend a single dollar on software subscriptions, we need to map out exactly where these opportunities live. This chart maps 11 business models. The horizontal axis measures technical skill. The vertical measures capital. In the bottom left, low-skill, low-cost entry paths like faceless shorts. In the top right, high-skill, high-cost enterprise endgames like custom AI software. Figuring out where you currently sit on this map is the mandatory first step. It dictates everything about what you should do next. Let's look at the first major player, the algorithmic arbitrager. This path relies heavily on generating AI slop and running virtual AI influencers. The content here requires incredibly low mental effort from the viewer. It relies on novelty shock, constantly scrolling, bizarre, highly stimulating visuals that force the human brain to stop and watch out of sheer confusion. You monetize this attention through two main channels: social platform creator funds and direct pay campaign systems like Higgsfield Earn, which pay you cash simply for posting approved AI-generated videos. To execute this, you take off-the-shelf generation tools and pump out a massive volume of novel content every single day. The startup capital is practically zero. But here is the catch. You are building zero actual business equity. Your entire income relies on systems you don't control, leaving you completely vulnerable to a sudden algorithm update that can wipe out your views overnight. You are trading long-term business ownership for frictionless, immediate access to platform cash. Next is the service pragmatist. This covers your AI consultants and your no-code freelance builders. You provide clarity to business owners who are currently drowning in a sea of thousands of new tools. You identify their specific workflow bottlenecks and recommend exactly which 5 tools will fix them. This creates fast cash flow. A standard audit easily bills between $500 and $3,000, and you can deliver that value with absolutely zero coding skills. Once you tell them what's broken, they usually hire you to fix it. That naturally progresses into building simple, no-code automations, using tools like Zapier or Make to implement your own recommendations. The downside is that you are strictly trading your hours for dollars. There are only so many audits and builds you can do in a week, creating a hard ceiling on your maximum income. It is the safest, most reliable way to quickly replace a standard salary. But to scale past that ceiling, you will eventually have to step away from the keyboard, hire contractors, and build an agency. Finally, we have the enterprise architect. This is the high-leverage world of deploying personalized, AI-generated B2B video pipelines at massive scale. The inputs here are complex. You are building data pipelines that pull specific lead information directly from a CRM and feed it into autonomous video generation agents. This experimental design flowchart from MIT and the University of Missouri explains why enterprise clients pay a premium. It outlines a study randomizing 21,000 users, testing generic video ads against personalized Gen AI videos, delivering custom scripts based on specific purchase history. The financial impact is clear. Production cost per ad plummets from $120 to just $13, while driving a 6 to 9% increase in click-through rates. Across thousands of leads, this compounds into lifetime value gains over 300%. But the barrier to entry is brutal. High technical competence for APIs, heavy upfront capital for compute, and a 6-month financial runway. It offers the highest revenue ceiling and the strongest defensibility in the market, but attempting this path as an underfunded beginner will bankrupt you. Every model we've looked at proves companies and platforms no longer care about the tools themselves. They value contextual implementation, the ability to turn generic AI capabilities into predictable, specific outcomes. This flowchart forces you to evaluate your primary constraint. Want an audience without showing your face? Route to the AI influencer model. Need cash fast but have zero tech skills? Become an AI consultant. Experienced engineer with capital? Build B2B personalized video pipelines. You need to stop over-researching and close the tutorials. The worst thing you can do right now is fall into the trap of endlessly testing every new platform feature that drops on social media. The real unfair advantage in this economy isn't being a technical genius. It is having the discipline to pick exactly one model that fits your constraints and executing it relentlessly for the next 1,000 days.